Hi friends, it's Nalani and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm very excited about. Told you this year we're switching things up. So today I'm going to show you how I've been styling my hair when I'm really lazy and I want to feel a little fancy. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know how much I've been complaining. Actually, yeah, I mean, you know, it is what it is. You know how much I've been talking and complaining about how thin, fine, flat, lifeless my hair is. So usually that's why I do a big chop from time to time, hence the length of it currently. But I do like switching up my hair. So wigs and extensions play a huge role in my life, you know. And sometimes wigs are a little tedious, a little time consuming. You have to put a little more effort in it. And sometimes I don't want to do that extra effort. Sometimes I just want to be really fast and quick about it and I still want to look good. So I discovered ponytail extensions and it has been a game changer. I've found a brand and they're this brand right here. So this is the brand, this is the name, insert name here. And when I tell you their customer service is on point, it's so good. If you don't know what color your hair is or what color you should get, just reach out to them. They will get back to you. They got back to me so quick and no complaints. Now, of course, when you get your extensions, whatever you get from them, it'll come in a little plastic packaging like this. This top part is separate from the bottom part. Don't open the bottom part if you're not sure if the color is going to match. This top part right here has a little sample for you. This is what you want to look at and this is what you want to try to make sure that the color match is perfect. It's not much that you can do anything. It's not a real extension or anything, but this is what you do. You look at this and you're like, hey, does this match? Does it match? And you're like, okay, it matches, perfect. Then you open the big packaging because once you open this, you cannot return it or do an exchange at all. So when I opened the packaging, this is what the hair looks like. It is thick, it is long, it is beautiful, it feels good. I mean, this is so thick. It's so good. So with this also, I got a little hair scrunchie, which is a beautiful blush pink. Love this color. And they also provided me with 2 bobby pins, and I'm pretty sure all of them come with it. I love bobby pins. I need bobby pins. If you're gonna do a ponytail, you need bobby pins. So with this, it also has this little curling piece right here. This is what you use to wrap around the ponytail to hide this little band. So let me open it out so I can show you guys what it looks like, and hopefully the camera you can really see. So like I said, this is the hair and this is this little comb and clip right here. This is what you put into your hair like this, and then you loop it around the hair and you wrap it, and then there you go. Very, very easy. So let me show you how I do it. Because this is straight, it just all depends on the texture of your hair if you need to straighten it or need to put product in it. A lot of times I try not to put too much product in my hair, but it just kind of depends on what kind of hair day I'm having. You can use mousse, you can use gel, you can use hairspray, and just pretty much however you want to part your hair before putting in the ponytail, you can. If you want to do a higher ponytail, you can do that also. Obviously my hair is short, so I stick to a low ponytail because it's kind of what works for me. There's just no way I can do a mid ponytail. It's not happening. It's way too short. So I'm just going to use a little bit of hairspray. My hair is kind of just a little everywhere. I had some pride in my hair earlier. So pretty much just use whatever hair tools you need. If you use brushes, combs, whatever. I have a comb and the teeth are missing, so we're not going to use that. So I'm just going to use this little brush I have right here, and I'm going to, I usually like doing, sometimes I do a middle part or sometimes I do more this way. So let's do this way. So I'm just going to pull this flat. I'm gonna put a little hairspray, but I just want to make sure the part is where I want it and need it. This is not very easy with this comb. I'm sorry, with this brush, but it will do. So we're just going to add a little bit of hairspray. Nothing too crazy. And we're just going to smooth it out just a little. You want to pull out your baby hairs and do wherever you want, you can. Like I said, it's going to be very quick and easy for me. So now that looks fine. I'm just going to take a hair tie. I just have a little black hair tie. And I'm going to, like, do you see this? This is such a baby ponytail. Just a baby ponytail. So we're just going to secure the hair. Okay, and look at this. Okay, do you see how non-existent and how tiny this little ponytail is? So because my hair is pretty short, I do get a little bit of baby hairs and short pieces since my hair has some layers to it. And I try to really just put that there. Do 2 of them right here also, just so my actual hair is not coming undone. It's just extra security. Okay, so that should be good for now. Okay, so now time for the ponytail. Remember, this little comb is gonna go straight in the middle here. I really hope you guys can see this. Okay, so straight in the middle. Taking this, and I'm gonna try to do it as tight as possible. Okay. Make sure you're really getting a good grip on it. Okay. So now the Velcro is secured. Now I'm going to take this little piece here and you're going to hide that Velcro. Perfect. So now I'm going to take a few bobby pins, really secure the hair in. This is pretty good, but I always like to bring a couple of extras just in case. And this is the ponytail. It is, I know it looked like it was a lot of work and effort, but I was just struggling trying to film and show you guys what it looks like. But look at this hair. Look at it. Oh, it's so good. Do you see the thickness of this hair? Like, seriously, look at the thickness. It is perfect for someone with thin hair. Okay, so my earrings are in and now I feel a little fancier, but I'm really loving this. It is very lightweight. It doesn't give me a headache. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I know it, because it's long, it must look like it's heavy and it weighs your hair down or your head down. It doesn't. I'm telling you, it is very lightweight, prone to headaches and everything, and this hasn't added or caused any of it. So I'm telling you, no headaches, which is a plus. This is the MIYA and I love it. It's so pretty. What I do, okay, I've done this once and I love the way it looked. So I'm gonna share this little tip with you. Braid this for that really thick luxurious, thick, braided hairstyle. Telling you, if you have thin hair, you want that really healthy, thick, braided, long ponytail. And it did it for me, and I felt good about it. I felt really, really good about it. So, oh, let me show you what the other hair looks like really quick before I end this video. Yeah, give me 1 second. So before I forget, because I didn't mention it, but when you get it, you want to make sure that you take a brush and you comb it. Just make sure that there aren't any, you know, it's smooth, there's no knots. It's very good quality hair, so you want to make sure that you take care of it and you just keep it looking really, really good. So I didn't want to forget to mention that. So the other ponytail that I do have, and I really like them also, it's a little shorter. It's the ALY, again, from Insert Name Here. And this one is 18 inches. The quality of these hairs are just amazing. This kind of gives you that wet, scrunched effect, and I really, really like that. So again, it comes with 2 bobby pins. This one doesn't come with a scrunchie, but this is just more of a perfect beachy wave ponytail. And this is what it looks like. So let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna try to make this really quick since you guys know how to put it on. Again, the little teeth and comb. We are going to just put this right here. Sorry, I was just tightening my ponytail. Okay, so I wanna make sure, get a really nice grip on this and follow the Velcro. I like to do it as tight as possible. It ensures security with the hair. Okay, Velcro is locked in. And now we are wrapping. Perfect. So let me put my bobby pins in to hold this in place. So 2 bobby pins works really well, but I like that extra security. So this is what the ALY looks like. I love this one. I love this one for an everyday, very natural look because it's not as long. There is quite some length to it. It just, you know, it just looks so good. So this is how long it is. A little shorter than the other hair, but still really, really nice. Very, very lightweight, great quality. I honestly don't have any complaints about either one of these hairs at all. I'm so in love with both the ponytails that I got, and they have so much more. They have hot tools, they have accessories, they have sprays. They literally have everything you could possibly need. Honestly, you're a one-stop shop for hair extensions. These ponytails have definitely been a game changer. It's just really helped me get put together a lot faster without really having to do much and not think about it. So ponytails are just kind of my go-to, you know? So if you guys are interested and you like the hair and the ponytails, and you go on their website and you see anything else you like, because they have more than just ponytail extensions, they have actual hair extensions, they have so many other things on the website. They were generous enough to give me a promo code for you guys, so you can save 15% off just by using my first name, which is NALANIE. I'll have it on the screen right here, and I'll also have it in the description bar for you guys. So if you're not sure what color you would use or get, they have a color matching quiz, and then if that doesn't work for you or you want to talk to someone, you can reach out to them. Their customer service is really, really good, and someone will get back to you, because I wasn't sure what I would be, even though I know my hair is pretty dark, and they were really, really great about it. I don't have any complaints with either one of the colors that I got. I love them both, and I wear both of them all the time. So I really hope this video helped you guys out. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.